Hello everyone. We are currently at a wastewater treatment plant. But before we dive into what we are doing here, let's first understand how this plant works. This is the primary unit, where all the incoming wastewater enters the system. From the inlet, the water is directed to a conveyor bed, known as the screen. This screen helps separate solid waste materials from the water. The separated water then flows into a clarifier. Here, the water is gently rotated, allowing any remaining sludge or solid particles to settle and be removed. Next, the water enters the MBBR tank, also known as the moving bed biofilm reactor. Here, air is pumped into the water. This aeration process helps break down harmful organic particles. After this biological treatment, the water passes through a secondary clarifier, which removes any leftover impurities. Finally, the treated water enters the chlorination chamber. Here, chlorine is mixed into the water to disinfect it before it's released into the river. Now, let's talk about what we are doing here. We've implemented an OCEMS system, that's an online continuous effluent monitoring system, designed to monitor water quality at every stage of the treatment process. At the inlet of the primary unit, we've installed a flow meter. This device continuously measures how much wastewater is entering the plant. On its screen, you can view real-time flow, cumulative flow, monthly, quarterly, or yearly data depending on your preferences. Right next to it, we've installed our IoT gateway. This device uses RS-485 protocol to collect the data and send it securely to the cloud. We provide dashboard access with login credentials, so you can monitor and analyze all the data remotely. At the outlet, we've installed our advanced water quality sensors, also part of the OCEMS system. These sensors measure a range of key water parameters, including COD chemical oxygen demand, BOD biochemical oxygen demand, TSS total suspended solids, TDS total dissolved solids, DO dissolved oxygen, pH, temperature, turbidity and more. These values help assess the overall quality of the treated water. Just like at the inlet, we've placed another IoT gateway at the outlet, which collects this environmental data and sends it to the same cloud platform. All the information is accessible through a central dashboard for easy, real-time monitoring. That's how we ensure complete visibility into both the input and output quality of water in this treatment process. As you can see here, this is our main dashboard. Right at the top, we have an overview of all the systems installed across multiple locations. Currently, we have 4 monitoring sites, and this section gives us a quick glance at which sites are online or offline at the moment. Super helpful for instant status checks. Now, let's click on one of these sites for a more detailed view. Once selected, we get an in-depth overview of this particular location. Check mark on the top, we can see the last updated time, its current status whether it's online or offline, and the real-time values for important water quality parameters like pH, DO dissolved oxygen, TDS total dissolved solids, TSS total suspended solids, BOD biochemical oxygen demand, COD chemical oxygen demand. There's also an info button which explains the standard ranges based on MPCB Maharashtra Pollution Control Board guidelines. It shows whether each parameter is rated good, moderate, or poor, making it super easy to understand water quality at a glance. Historical data analysis. Next, let's head to the historical data section. Here, you can select or deselect specific parameters to view individual trends over time. You can also set a custom date range to analyze data deeply, perfect for long-term monitoring or research. And at the bottom, you'll find total consumption, initial reading, final reading, a clear and concise snapshot of water usage. Alerts notifications. Moving on to the alert section, you can create new alerts easily. For example, if a parameter crosses a critical threshold, the system can instantly notify you via WhatsApp, email, SMS. Right now, the alert is set to email, but you can modify or delete alerts anytime. All sent alerts appear in the Unread Alerts tab, and once acknowledged, they move to Read Alerts for easy tracking. Reports. In the Reports section, you can generate detailed reports for each site and its parameters. Choose to view reports by day or month, or select a custom date range for specific analysis. You can also schedule automated reports to be sent directly to your inbox on your preferred week or month, super convenient for regular compliance reporting. Support. And lastly, we've got a support section. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out directly using the contact details provided. We're always here to assist you. So that's a complete tour of our water quality monitoring system dashboard. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.